Two top email platforms, two very different approaches, one big question. Which one really delivers? On the left, Constant Contact, the go-to for simple, reliable email marketing. On the right, Omnisend, the omnichannel automation suite for e-commerce growth. Let's skip the buzzwords and dig into the features that matter. We'll score each category so you'll know exactly who comes out on top, and the winner might just surprise you. Okay, here's our roadmap. First up, we'll chat about pricing, then automation and workflow, e-commerce integration, analytics and reporting, customer support, multi-channel marketing, template and design, integrations and ecosystem, and finally, user-friendliness. So, yeah, a lot to cover. Let's kick off with pricing. Constant Contact is all about that lower entry point. Their basic plan is just $12 a month, and you do get a free trial, which is nice. But there's no forever free option. And if you want stuff like advanced automations, you know, the cool toys, you got to pay up for a higher plan. Now, Omnisend? Oh, and here's something cool. They actually offer a generous free plan. You get a bunch of advanced features no matter what plan you're on, and their standard plan starts at $16 per month. Sure, the base price bumps up a bit after the trial, but honestly, you're getting way more for your money, especially if you're serious about e-commerce. So for pricing, Omnisend definitely takes the win here. Next, let's talk automation and workflow. Constant Contact, super easy if you just want basic automation. Setting up simple journeys, like a welcome email or a birthday coupon, is a breeze. But if you're dreaming about triggering emails off fancy stuff, like product views or abandoned carts, you'll hit those limits fast unless you shell out for higher tier plans. Omnisend, on the other hand, their automation builder is pretty slick. You get advanced triggers, like abandoned cart, product-based logic, multi-channel flows, conditional splits, all the nerdy stuff that e-commerce folks crave. But fair warning, if you're not into e-commerce, it might feel kinda over-designed. Still, Omnisend absolutely dominates in automation. Moving on to e-commerce integration. Constant Contact, sure, they cover the basics so you can connect your store, but don't expect fancy stuff like pulling in product catalogs straight into your emails. There are some limits in how deep you can go with e-commerce features. But Omnisend lives and breathes e-commerce. It plugs into all the big platforms, has shoppable email templates, and even lets you target users by products they viewed or bought. The downside? If you're a service business, this may be a bit much or not quite the right fit. Still, for anyone running a store, Omnisend wins, hands down. Oh, wait, quick stat break. Did you know Omnisend users actually report getting up to 24% of their email revenue from just 9% of their sends, thanks to automation? Crazy, right? That's how powerful those triggered flows can be. All right, let's look at analytics and reporting. So Constant Contact has the basics covered. Standard metrics for your emails like opens and clicks, and A/B testing on subject lines. But analytics for e-commerce? Kinda light. Segmentation reporting also isn't super deep. Omnisend, though, it's like opening up a cockpit dashboard. You get detailed revenue tracking, order attribution, and performance for every automation and campaign. It's awesome if you need those deep dives. Though I'll admit, it can overwhelm you if you just want a simple view. But when it comes to data, Omnisend's the champ. Now for customer support. Constant Contact is great with live phone and chat. You even get personalized kickoff calls, but no 24/7 support. Omnisend swings the other way. They do 24/7 support on paid plans, and their in-app support is pretty quick. No live phone option, though. So honestly, this one's a toss-up. They're both strong, but have slightly different vibes. It's a tie. Time for multi-channel marketing, and wow, here's where the gap really widens. Constant Contact does let you send SMS, but only in the US, and their channels aren't really connected all that tightly. Want web push? Nope. Want SMS internationally? Not here. Omnisend, though, is built for multi-channel. You get seamless email, SMS, web push, Facebook and Google Ads retargeting, all tied together so your messages follow people everywhere. But it only really shines if you're planning to use multiple channels, not just email. Still, easy win for Omnisend. Let's dive into template and design. Constant Contact offers a solid set of professional templates, plus an easy drag-and-drop editor. So, hey, if you want something clean and businessy, you'll like it. But if you want shoppable layouts, not so much. Omnisend is laser-focused on conversion and product showcasing. Plus, their templates pull straight from your catalog. It's overkill if you don't sell stuff, honestly, and their generic newsletter styles aren't as varied. So, both have their quirks and wins. Let's call it even here. Okay, integrations and ecosystem. Constant Contact is kind of the Swiss Army knife. Seriously, it can connect with 5,000 plus apps, CRM, social, events, you name it. Their e-commerce integrations are fine, nothing wild, but for broader business setups, it's super flexible. Omnisend is much more specialized. Big on e-commerce integrations, native sync with major stores, but not really built for, say, nonprofit or event use. So, if you want maximum flexibility, Constant Contact edges out. Lastly, user-friendliness. Constant Contact really shines here. Setup is fast, super easy if you're not a tech wizard, and the overall learning curve is gentle. If you're a power marketer, you might hit some limits eventually. Omnisend is slick for e-commerce onboarding, and its UI is pretty clean. But honestly, you could get lost in all the features if you're not e-commerce focused. So for small businesses and beginners, Constant Contact takes the win. So let's zoom out and look at the radar chart. Omnisend pretty much crushes it for e-commerce and automation, while Constant Contact stands strong on integrations and ease of use for broader business types. All right, bottom line, Omnisend is hands down the winner if you care about e-commerce and full-on automation. But Constant Contact is still your go-to if you're a small business, nonprofit, or just want a simple email tool with lots of integrations. Horses for courses, you know? Hey, was this helpful? Stick around. Hit follow for more honest, head-to-head SaaS reviews. I'll keep digging, so you don't have to.